the fastest woman racer, setting a new record in the jet class. 169 miles an hour. In September 23, she raced a B51 known as Long Crazy with a fourth-place finish in the coveted unloaded class. She's the second only woman to have the steerman, a noisy airplane indeed. That sound that we're hearing, not so much the engine, but rather the propeller tips going supersonic at around 2,400 revolutions per minute. Completing yet another Humpy Bump maneuver as she dives back at some 200 miles an hour again with a big wing-over maneuver to position herself back towards show center. Another nice round of applause for Vicky Benzing. Just shy of about 600 horsepower. Climbing the airplane down to about 80 miles an hour right there on the top, floating on the top in ballistic flight, completing the big barnstorm with 5 shows. He was also excited to serve as a partner university with United Airlines and several national carriers, offering CU students Vicky's pursuit of flying has been a lifelong passion, but her flying took a back seat for a while as she completed her PhD in physical chemistry from UC Berkeley. She went on to work in the Silicon Valley in the high-tech industry, but took a ride with airshow legend Wayne Hamley, who told Vicky it's difficult to do and difficult to do well, especially in this ton-and-a-half airplane of that of the Boeing steering. Now, this is a carbureted fit engine, which means at less than 1 G, it will starve the engine. Look for the flame, there it is. And with this airplane, needing at least 1 positive G at any given time to continue to feed the engine, and you go ballistic like that at knife-edge flight, for less than 1 G, it starves the engine. That's that little rumble that you heard there for a couple of moments. Vicky Benzing wants to thank her sponsors. They are Apex Aerospace Corporation, Concord Batteries, Tempest, Glide Aviation, Oregon Aero, Lift Aviation, Best Tugs, Method 7 Performance Optics, and California Aeronautical University. To learn more about Vicky Benzing and her Stearman biplane, you can visit her online at vickybenzing.com. Coming by for her final pass, a big wave, everybody, to Vicky Benzing as she concludes her performance for us here on this Sunday afternoon. How about one final round of applause, everybody, for Vicky Benzing and the 1940